Hello, hope you're doing well. So I had a viewer request. They're trying to find their cigarette lighter fuse on a 1999, so it should be the same on a 96 to 2000 Honda Civic. And so I thought I'd make a video on how to find that. So I'm going to start, I guess over here. And let's see. So there's going to be a 20 amp fuse. And right next to it, they're calling it accessory socket, and they're calling it position 27. So come over this chart, and there's position 27. And counting from this side, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7th one in. So this 26 should be a 20 amp fuse. Again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So double check over here. 27. So 27 is going to be 7th one in. So then you go under your dash. My panel's already taken out, your private panel there. And then you just kind of count. And I'm just, instead of counting over, I'm going to cheat and see the yellow one right there. There's a 20 amp right there. And that one right next to it's a 10 amp. That's going to be your cigarette lighter fuse. Oops, I'm sorry. Oh, that's right. It's kind of hard to tell looking through the cable there. Make sure I'm looking at the right one. Yeah, that's it. And so you could count over from here, but it's just quicker to find the 20 amp. And that should be the 7th one in, counting from this side over. And so that should be your cigarette lighter fuse. And you have to turn your ignition key on to activate that fuse. So to test your cigarette lighter, you got to have your ignition at least turned to accessory, and then your cigarette lighter should start working. So you gotta have your key in for this to work. Anyways, hope that helps you out there if you're trying to find out where your fuse is for your cigarette lighter. Anyways, you have a great day, and thank you for watching.